Welcome back to the Getting Started with Felt series. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to share and collaborate in Felt. Whether you want feedback from a client or you're collaborating with colleagues in the field, Felt really has everything that you need. Share your map instantly via a single link. Simply click on the big share button at the top right-hand corner, and then you can copy the link right down here. When sharing a map, control viewer permissions in the drop-down menu. You can allow viewers to view and comment, or view, comment, and edit your map. Or you can simply set your map to private and then add individual collaborators and stakeholders via their email address. Further control these collaborators' permissions next to the member's profile. Collaboration is Felt's superpower, and comments live at the heart of this. You'll find the comment button at the top of the UI. You can also use keyboard shortcut key C to quickly activate the tool. Now, to leave a comment, simply click on the map and type away. All existing comments are displayed in a panel on the right-hand side of the UI, where you can quickly toggle them on and off. Replies to comments will be threaded and can be resolved via the checkmark button. But don't worry, you can always go up here and view all of the resolved comments at any time. When leaving a comment, you can tag collaborators to notify them. All comments, replies, and tags will send out corresponding email notifications. Public viewers with comment permission can leave anonymous comments or choose to include a name as well as an email address. One really cool feature that I personally love is sharing a link directly to a comment. You can copy the link here, and when viewers click, they will be flown directly to the comment on the map. You can quickly navigate between each comment by simply clicking on them in the panel, and they save not only their location, but also their zoom level. I love it. Now let's say you're out in the field. It's incredibly easy to use Felt in a browser on your mobile device. For example, you can use the Location Services button to quickly snap the map view to your existing location. To leave a comment, you can then drag the map canvas to perfectly align your comment on the map. Last but not least, you can even export all of your geo-referenced comments as a CSV or JSON file. Amazing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and activate notifications so you don't miss out on the next episode of Getting Started with Felt, which is all about working with teams. See you there.